What's up, my lovely viewers all over the world? Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money online. The reason why I always tell you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell is that because I upload a quality video like this almost 3 times in a week. So make sure you smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell, because if you don't like this particular video, don't worry, I have a lot of video to be uploading here. So if you don't like this one, you might like the other one. But today video is very special, and if you follow me step by step, you will understand the reason why I say that it's very special. Please make sure you turn on the notification bell and like this video also, please, I'm begging. So without wasting much time, I'll be teaching you in this video how you can make a lot of money by just selling Chinese products or any herbal products. I'll be showing you where you can get all these herbal tea, okay, and I'll also showing you where to sell it. You can also make money both online and offline. That's what I'm about to show you here, because your success is always in my top priority, because I love you all. So without wasting much time, I'll be showing you how you can make money with this particular product or any type of herbal tea, okay, be it herbal supplement or any type. You can make money with this particular you can make money with this particular tea that I'm about to show you here, okay. You can make money with it. As you can see, this eye bright. You can also make money with this particular one. Can you see this one? All this is herbal tea, and I'll show you the proof that a lot of people have been using this to make cash. Okay, so let's go there. The reason why, what motivated me to start selling this particular product is, let's say 5 years ago, what happened was I was sick. Okay, I have this eye problem. Okay, I have this eye problem, and I take so many to the hospital, and they prescribe some drugs for me, said that once I take it that I'll be okay. And I take all those drugs and my problems stay. I don't get the result that I've been looking for. So what I did was I kept researching on the product that can help me regain my sight again. When I was searching on internet how I can get a quality drug that can help me with my eyesight, what I did there was I keep searching, I keep doing research, because I do research a lot. Okay, so when I saw this particular product, I go through the content, and after going through the content, I see that these products will help me a lot in the problem that I've been having then. So what I did was I approached the person on the website. I will review the website that I bought these products, and I'll teach you how you can also use the same website to sell all these products. Okay, I'll show you how you can sell this product with the same. The website has a lot of traffic, thousands of traffic every month. You can do the same thing and make money. You can keep making money, because what I do is that once I see something that is working, I'll come direct here and show you how I'm doing it. And if you do the same thing I'm about to teach you right now, you will get the same result. Okay, so after that, what I did was I contacted the seller and asked her how much is this product, and she told me that yes, she told me that it's 4,000 naira, because it's 20 in this pocket. Okay, 20. So 20 bags. It look like Lipton. Okay, so it's 20 bag inside. So what I did there was I asked her, how many do you think that I would take for me to be free? So she told me that the half of it is three like this, and if I get like 6, okay, if I can get 6, that my problem will be solved. So what I asked her was, how much is that 6? We bargain, and she sell it at 3,500 per one, and if you check it times 6, you know how much it is. So I don't know anything about all those things then, and I purchased it. And after purchasing it, I start, okay, before then I told her that I thought that this kind herbal tea will be very cheap, and she told me that dollar had a lot of money, that she imported from China, and the money, the transportation and everything is very high. I have no other option than to believe her, because what I need then is what will help me to regain my sight again. That's the only thing I need. I purchased the product and start taking it the way she asked me to be taking it. It's just 2 times, okay, 2 times daily. So after some days, I start seeing a lot of results, a lot of massive results. So this is still available, and I'll teach you how and where you can get it. Okay, that's my work here. And I also have another product here. I will also tell you where you can get it, because a lot of people need this product, but the problem is, where can I get it? And a lot of people might even know places to get it, but they think that before you can get all those things, you can go to China and go to all these uh, African country before you can get it. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me tell you where you can get all these wonderful products. You can get it at any supermarket. All those people that sell tea, any big supermarket that sells tea. Okay, once you go there, you can get it. But where I get mine is I'm based in Enugu, so I go to Oboete main market. Some people might know that place, and I look for those people that sell tea. Okay, so I bought it like 1,500 naira. That's the price I'm getting it right now, 1,500. Then I might sell it 4,000 or 3,500 naira. Okay, and if you like, you buy. And a lot of people have been using this product and say that it's wow, it's really working for them. Okay, that's the reason why I say, okay, let me come and show you what I've been doing, because I want us to make it together. Okay, if I'm making it, I want you to make it also. That's my work here. So after that, what I did was I keep seeing so many different products for different sickness. Okay, so what I did there was I keep snapping it. If I like this one and I think that this will go well in the market, I'll snap it. Okay, and I'll upload it. And after uploading it, those people will be asking me about the products, because before I can upload it or do this, I'll go do more research on how the product works. So I will look for the content and read everything about the content, so that if you are asking me anything about the product, I will be able to describe how it works and tell you everything you need to know about the product. Okay, so later on, what I did was, after getting the product, I use it and it works. The next thing I did is just getting other products, snapping it and sending it to this particular website that I'm about to show you. And I also sell it to some of the chemists or the pharmacists. I go there and tell them about the product. They will ask me to bring it for them. And after bringing it to them, once they make use of it or take it, and once it works the way they want it, they will demand more. And I'll be selling it like 2,500 naira. The last delivery I did was, that was last month, and the pharmacist buy like 40 carton like this. 2,500 naira times 40 carton, you know how much. So all I want you to do is just keep, going to so many places, telling them about these products. And once they have interest in it, you can, so that's why I say that you sell it off and online. You sell it off and online. You go to any of them and tell them about. You can go to all these old people in the village, tell them, or even in the town, tell them about this product and how it can help them. Okay, and I know that once they start taking it, it's tasteless. It's not that bitter. This one is the one that is bitter. This one is cleanser and detox. This one will detox your body and clean any yama yama in your body, clean any pain. Okay, so you need to get, if you go there, you will see so many of it. Just tell them that you need herbal tea and they will show you where to get it. That's the first step. The second step is that I will show you where you can sell these products. I teach you about the first step, which is about the product and where you can get it. And I also tell you that you can sell it offline, which is telling people about it, and you make your money offline. And the stuff there is that you can snap it and show it to, or upload it to this website that I'm about to show you. And once someone put a call and tell you that they love the product, that they want to buy it, you can go to that particular place and buy it. And once you buy it, you go and supply and get your money and your gain. It's very simple and straight. Okay, so the next thing I'm about to show you now is where you can be selling these products. And if you set it up the way I'm about to show you right now, you are going to make thousands of naira weekly or monthly. So let's go there. Okay, we are here in the website. The website is called jiji.ng. You can do this with jiji.ng. You can also do this with Jumia. You can do it with any online selling platform. You can do it with any of them. And everything I'm about to teach you here is just free of charge. You are not going to pay any money, unless if you want, they still have a paying, a way you can pay and they will promote your products more. Okay, so but we are using the free ones. So once we start making money, we can then upgrade. Okay, that's what you're about to do right now. So once you are here, as you can see, all these products are people like me, they are selling it, and those people are literally making a lot of money. Anything you want to search, once you are in the search button, once you are here, just I am looking for, you write something that you are looking for, and they will show you the reason why we are using this particular website. These websites get thousands of visitor monthly, thousands of visitors. So, and those visitors, some of them don't know products. That's why we are using the product that is not that those products that not that known to the market, so that you can use the opportunity and make money. If you want to make a lot of money concerning affiliate marketing, concerning online marketing, you need to be getting all this product that is not much secreted. So all you need to do is just to come to this plus sign here, post ad. You click on post ad. Once you click on post ad, you select the category of the ad you want to post. Once you click on the category, you select in location. Okay, health and beauty. We choose vitamin and supplements. Then you click on the image. This plus sign is the image of the product you want to. This is the image of the product. All you need to do is just to snap it, and once you snap it, you upload it here. Very simple. You click on location. You can click on the particular state you want to promote the product. All you need to do is just to click. Let me click Enugu. Okay. Once I click Enugu, so once you click Enugu, the next thing you need to do is just to fill the necessary form that they ask you to fill so that your product can go live. And after filling the forms, the only thing you need to do is just to submit it. And once you submit it, they will do a review. They will review it, and after reviewing it, your product will go live, like those ones. Yeah. Okay. They will ask you all those questions because I don't think we have time for all those things. They will ask you all those questions, and after answering all those things, then you can come down here and post the ad. Okay, there's a pay one. If you want to pay for 30 days, 2,499. Boost premium is 19,999. That's if you want to get more visitors and more conversion. That's where you can do all those ones. But the ones that we are going to do is just free of charge. We don't need to, pay money. Then until we start making money, once we start making money, we can then pay money to get more conversion. Okay, it's very simple and straight. Please make sure you smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. So let me click on profile. As you can see, I've been posting since how many years now? Okay, here I have different accounts that I'm doing this particular thing. I have different accounts, and all those accounts is active. Okay, and I'm making money with this account. My adverts, let me check what I have. Okay, I have this one is active and it's running right now. Okay, this is how it look like after you do all those things that I'm asking you to do right now. This is how it look like. Okay, this is the description. Let me show you the way you can. Okay, after you done what I'm asked you to do, this is how it will look like. Can you see that? You snap like two. This is the first one. This is the second one. You snap it, and this is how it's plus eye supplements. If you follow the way I show you that and the first one, you will understand everything here, what I did here. Okay, I don't want this video to be that too long. Okay, type brand black tea. Okay, formula all. Gender. Okay, gender all. Formula is tea. Why gender is all gender. It's anybody can take this about tea. And before mean. Okay, how to take it is before me. So once you go to that place, as I said that if you want to get description how those products works, you can copy from other people description. Once you copy it, you can even come here and copy mine, because mine is live now. And once you click on Herbal I Bright Herbal Tea, I will be at the top of people selling this particular product. So all you need to do is just to copy. You can come and copy mine. Okay, and look for available place where you can get this product, and then you start selling. It's very simple as ABCD. So thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. Please, if you get any value from what I'm teaching you right now, please like the video and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And being the first person to watch simply means that you'll be the first person to work, make money with my strategy.